You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this formula or theorem, a sample size calculator. If you want to learn more names from mathematics like this one that are confusing, stay tuned. Chochran formula, or it's usually pronounced more as Chochran's formula or Chochran's theorem. So Chochran formula. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.